Hi gang, this is Tom here. Did a lot of car weathering over the last week or so, and all my rolling stock that's just standing is all weathered. And here's a couple cars here, and there's a brake there to keep that car from going into there. And then these cars are weathered, have some graffiti on them. And we go over here, and that car's all weathered there. And then we go over here, a little weathering on those box cars. There's another brake there. And all these cars are weathered. 2 tank cars. Some are weathered more than others, just to make them look better. Then down here, we got a couple of them weathered here. That's those. And then over on this side, caboose is weathered. Those flat cars are weathered. It's hard to see. There's not much on there. And then that car carrier is weathered. And then in my yard, underneath here, those cabooses there, they're all weathered. And that crane and that gondola car that goes with the crane is weathered. And then there's the passenger cars that I put the DC lights in, and they work pretty good. So I just have to get an engine to pull that passenger car around. And then one other thing I did was I have these 2 track cleaning cars. And I just put a small piece of track there to keep them there, so I remember to clean the track. And I just put them there the other day. So that's it for now. Just wanted to show you my weathering. And next up for the weathering are the cars that are on the rails. And there's quite a few of them I got to do. So I'll get to them a little at a time. And we'll go from there. So this is Tom, and everybody have a good evening, and we'll see you all in the next video. Give you a little rundown of the layout. Not much changed. One other thing, I'm going to be doing some additions to that grain building eventually too. So that's coming down the road. And we'll go from there. So everybody take care, and we'll see you all in the next video. This is Tom, and see y'all.